This is the light we got from Amazon. We have one on the trike already on the left side, so we wanted one to put on the right side to even it out. So okay, the other one we have tinted green, so we want to do that to this one too. So we're going to take a piece of this film. You can get this, like, I think I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's just a piece of holographic green vinyl. And we're going to put this right over the lens. Sometimes it's a little difficult to get started, so a little razor blade helps. And we'll peel it back. Just enough. And smooth that out with our finger into all the crevices. Till it's nice and sealed. We're simply going to take our razor blade and follow the lines that we have already. And we want to make sure we get all the way around it. If you look, it tilts back a little bit. So we've got to take it back into that area, like so. Separate that out, and then we'll have this little bit here. We will trim that out. And now we have a green lens. Perfect. This is our first one, by the way, that we had before, which is identical to this one. And we're simply going to mount this one on this side. The way we're going to do that is we took some Velcro. I cut 2 strips to length, and we will peel that away, and we will mount that to the light. We'll peel that away, and we're going to mount this just like that. So that's the effect we're looking for. We can take these to a dimmer effect, full bright effect, and a pulsing effect. The ideal is to make sure we get seen, and we also have a smaller one up on the top.